in this video, we are asked to solve dy over dx plus p of xy equals 0, where y of 0 is 4 and p of x is 1 when x is between 0 and 2, and 5 when x is greater than 2. So note this is a homogeneous linear differential equation. So y of x is going to be a constant times e to the negative integral of p of x dx. So we're first going to be looking at the interval from 0 to 2. P of x is 1 there, so we could just plug in 1 inside the integral to get the constant times e to the x, e to the negative x. Now we can apply the initial condition that y of 0 is 4. So you have 4 is equal to c1 times e to the 0, which means c1 is 4. And so y is going to equal 4 times e to the negative x when x is between 0 and 2. Now we're going to look at x greater than 2. P of x is going to be 5. So we can replace p of x inside the integral with 5. So we have a constant times e to the negative integral 5 dx, which is a constant times e to the negative 5x. Now we want the initial condition that as we approach, well, first, the solution must be continuous at x equals 2. So if we approach 2 from the left, that has to be the same thing as 2 from the right. So remember, from the left, this is what we have here from the left. We have 4e to the negative x. From the left, that'll be 4e to the negative 2. And then from the right, that's going to be this right here, because that's x greater than 2. So we plug in 2 there. So we have c, the constant, times e to the negative 10. That must equal 4e to the negative 2. And so when we solve for the constant by multiplying both sides by e to the 10, we get the constant is 4e to the 8th power. So then y of x is going to be the constant, which is 4e to the 8th times e to the negative 5x. And because you have the same base, you can add exponents. And so we have 4e to the 8 minus 5x power. And so this is going to be the final piecewise solution.